Hi, and welcome back to the Inflatable Car project. This is episode 10, and we are at a location called Tiveden in the deep forest of Tiveden. And I'm here with a friend to do the maximum traction force test on water with the vehicle. And as you can see, I have made some improvements on the logistic system of the vehicle. So I have added two wheels underneath the main body, which you can retract once the main wheels are inflated. So it only takes a light force to push it around on level ground. So that's a big improvement of the handling of the vehicle when it's not inflated. And I have also added two brakes on the rear wheels, but as you can see it's pretty flat here, so I cannot do a proper test of the brake at this time, but nevertheless I will show you the how it works. So basically I have just taken two rim brakes from a Shimano system and built some custom discs on the rear wheels, which I can control with my feet. So here you can see the rim brakes. Okay, now we're heading down to the water to do the preparing for the measurement of the propulsive force on water. So I have brought a significantly heftier scale. It's a 200 kilo scale, and here you can see I'm just going to tie up the vehicle in the rear, and my friend here will keep an eye on the scale, and I will take the vehicle out in the water and take it up to full power. Unfortunately, this camera angle did not cover both the scale and the vehicle in the water, but I have a couple of other views of the vehicle going full throttle, so you can see it later on in the video. I just love the transition going from land to water. It's almost like taking off in an aircraft. It's so smooth and fluid. I just love it. Okay, and now I'm heading out here to tension the rope to the scale. And here you can see the 200 kilo scale. And this is the first attempt of capturing a value in taking a measurement. Yeah, of course that happens because, you know, this is real life, so... Let's do that again. Can you believe that just happened? This is the GoPro angle.
Jösses!
The first attempt was like 10 kilos.
Oj! Oj, oj, oj.
So isn't that just extraordinary? It has over 100 kilos of pull when it's in the water. I was guessing like 30 kilos.
Men du, repet gick av! Vad handlar det om? På riktigt, vad fick du för värde? Såg du det?
Ja,
Vad var det för något?
väldigt högt.
So the rope actually just got ripped into pieces. So what do you know? Pretty significant. Yeah, okay, so now we're just playing around here and I couldn't resist trying to surf the vehicle. And well, yeah, you can do that. It's much harder on land where it's much more jerky, but over water it's so smooth, so we can actually keep your balance quite easy. So I'm also going to do a full speed run here when I'm sitting down, but you can notice that it doesn't gain very much speed, rather it slows down. So it's really much more economic to run it at low power settings than trying to use all the force you have available, because it doesn't go any faster. It's more like it's digging itself down. So it's interesting. You can have a very high static propulsive force, but you cannot exchange that for a high speed. So you can tow something very heavy, but you can't really travel fast with this kind of propulsive system.
Jag ser att om du gapar jättemycket så gör du inte någon större fart framåt. Så att håller på ganska så, jag vet inte, måste bli bra. Ja, det är lugnt. Kom han med ett hörn också. Underbart. Varför glimret det här? Underbart glimret.
We were so fortunate. This was the warmest spring day so far. So it was like 12 degrees centigrade and clear blue skies and almost dead calm. So it was just such a nice day to be out playing in the water, close to land. Yeah, it's so lovely to be grown up and still just be able to play and enjoy life. I feel like I'm like 10 years old, and it's just wonderful.
Det långsamt hela tills man får grepp och då bara och kör, eller typ man gasar på. Försök klicka där, det är jättebra. Nu får den sidan grepp först. Var vi rädd bara? Ja, men perfekt.
And at the end of the day, we had some sort of short circuit situation, which I think is related to the front wheels not functioning in reverse. But when we were going forward, they were. But something did happen, and we almost did start a fire in the chassis. But we managed to handle that. So that's something I had to sort out. So I'm going to open up the front wheels and check out the relays and the motors. But other than that, it was a very nice day and a fairly successful test, I think. So it's really slow on water, but it has significant propulsive force. So it's a interesting combination. Yeah, and I think that's pretty much all for now. If you like the content, please consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next episode.